Hello everyone. I have created this work order template in Google Sheets to manage the work, products, or services for the clients more efficiently. In the left corner, I have included a menu with buttons, such as Dashboard, Clients, Work Order, and Settings. At the top right, I have included buttons such as Product List and Client List, which will redirect to the list of products or client recorded sheets. Below is the blue button that opens the form in the pop-up screen to record a new client. In the right area of the blue button, there are scorecard charts such as total work orders created, total clients, which currently we have recorded 9 rows, total products, work or services, and total income, which is 0 because we didn't include any of the services yet. The part below has a donut chart that in the right area, there is a table for all the products, work, or services that are included as a finished or not. The last part is a column chart, which gives the number of clients according to the business type. There are 2 ways to add new clients. By clicking on the blue button, it will open the pop-up screen to record a new client. Also, by clicking at the left menu, it will redirect to the Client tab. In the Client tab, there is the drop-down filter menu that will pull the list of company types. Selecting one of the lists will give all the clients that are currently recorded in that type. There is also a plus circle button which will record the clients in the list, same as the blue button in the dashboard. Let's record a new fake client. There are details such as company name, client name and surname, email, mobile, company type, and state, which can be modified in the settings part, city, address, and zip code. By clicking on the orange button, you can record new clients to the list. The second button with the database icon will redirect you to the client list, where you can see a complete list of clients. At the end, I have included the Hide button, which will hide the sheet and will redirect to the Dashboard tab. It can be confusing to have a big list of multiple tabs. The third link in the menu redirects to create the work order. And last link in the menu is Settings, where you can update the lists, company type and states, and it will appear in the pop-up updated form to record new clients. Let us record a new work order. Click on the left menu, and it will redirect to the Products tab. First, I should select the company name in the drop-down list filter. Then, by clicking on the plus circle button, it should create the new work order. It will pull the ID and company name as a record, then click Confirm in the orange button. You will notice that the client will be pulled from the client list in the new row. It is mandatory to click at the checkbox, tick single checkbox, at the beginning of each row. Then click on the End button to add new work or services, which will open the pop-up screen with the input fields such as description, quantity, and unit quantity price. The total amount is read-only, so it will calculate automatically. By clicking on the blue button, it will record a new row for this work order. Let us add some more articles for this demo. We have added 3 articles to this work order. You can see that we have linked the product ID to the same client ID. There is also a scorecard chart as the total amount, which calculates all the rows and gives the total amount. Above the top right corner, there is a button to preview the work order. It will pull all the details and create the work order ready for print. In the left area, some details should manually be added according to the business. And below there is today's date and also the due date, which gives the calendar to update when the work should be done. Those details should be updated according to the needs. You can download it as a PDF, or even you can print, sign, and copy it for the client as a record of the work done. If you uncheck the client details, you will notice that all the articles will be removed. You can add multiple work orders with the same client, and also give the different articles for each work order. Primary, you need to select the client, then click on the plus button to add a new row. Wait until the script pulls the ID and company name from the client list, and click on the orange button, Confirm. In this example, we have created 3 work orders for the same client. When we click on the first checkbox, it will give the articles that we have created previously. Let's create the article in the second work order. Click on the second checkbox, then click on the End button, and then add a new product, service, or work. Type the details and unit price. Click the blue button. You will notice that the second work order has the new row of the work or services with the price included. By clicking on the Preview button, it will update details such as article, work order number, and prices to the work order tab ready for print. If we return and want to add to the third work order, we need to uncheck the second row and checkbox the third row. So actually the process is the same. Each work order will have its articles added according to the work order number. At the Dashboard tab, you will notice that the orange scoreboard chart has been updated according to the generated work orders. There are also other updates such as clients, products or articles, and total amount. The below donut chart and table are not updated. To update charts, we need to click on the top button Product List, and according to the created work order to update the status of the work that has been finished. According to the ID, it will give the rows to update with the drop-down menu. The End button will hide this tab and will redirect to the dashboard. You will notice that the data in the charts are updated. If we want to appear all the list, we need to update every drop-down list to true or false. In this case, it will update the donut chart and the table so you can easily check for the finished and unfinished works. I hope you liked the video, and if you have any advice or suggestions, please let me know in the comments.